Collins Aerospace is a Tier 1 supplier in the aerospace industry that is developing a thermoplastic composite nacelle as a pathfinder part to mature its capabilities, preparing the next generation of single aircraft which will demand very fast composite processes to meet the scheduled production demand of 80 aircraft per month.
Collins Aerospace has many different business units. We are into landing gear systems, brake systems. What we represent here is nacelle structures. So every engine requires a whole system around the core engine itself that basically guides the airflow, makes sure you protect the environment from too much noise. You guide in a bypass engine, you guide the hot flow and the cold flow nicely from inlet to outlet. You try to help reduce weight, to try to reduce drag, and together with our company Pratt & Whitney, part of RTX, we also try to improve the overall propulsion system. To see if next generation of materials, and of course in the context of CAMX, it's composites, if they can help us to at the same time increase performance, but also make it a better business case and try to see if it can reduce cost. Yeah, what you see here is a nacelle structure. So we are standing in front of an inlet. So it's a part that's really important to make sure that you have a controlled flow of the air into the engine. You see a ring inside there, the black part. That's part of the acoustic system also. So if you would zoom in, you see lots of small holes drilled in a composite that's trying to absorb as much noise as possible to shield people on the ground from noise. And why we show all this is that the company is putting a lot of effort in trying to see if thermoplastic composites can help us make our parts better. The parts of Collins Aerospace is a location we have in the Netherlands where we are specialized in stamp forming. So we have sheet thermoplastic material, and we are using compression presses to make large stamp formed parts that have a continuous carbon inside. But through stamp forming we're able to produce in a high rate, high performance parts, and that we see as an essential component of building these larger assemblies out of thermoplastics.
For more composites news and insights into the latest trends and innovations in the industry, visit CompositesWorld.com.